This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Strong, durable, and dependable. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a 4-speed automatic transmission, has enough power to pull a trailer or cruise around town. This Chevrolet features a dual-zone climate control system, cruise control, XM satellite radio, a rear parking aid, a low tire pressure indicator, and this vehicle has just over 41,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.